As you continue your journey, you may notice not only are we great at academics, but we thrive in clubs and activities. Starting off with our very own Live from 205.
Live from 205 is Palos Verdes High School's nationally ranked journalism program. We cover everything from local news to global issues to people on our campus or in our community that have stories to tell that deserve to be shared. We submit once a year to STN, which is the Student Television Network, to the Excellence Award, which basically gives us the right to say that we are the best program in the country. On top of being a team and on top of being so good at what we do, we're also a family.
There's not one person that's left out, no, we're all in this together, so it's been pretty great.
The music department here at PV High consists of orchestra, marching band, jazz band, and pit. It's just really great because everyone has a place to play in the music department.
If you love music, I think it's the place to be. There's so many great people you'll meet. It's honestly, the community is one of the greatest communities I've ever been a part of.
I would say orchestra teaches you a lot about teamwork, which is definitely important in a group of like 30 to 40 people and they're all playing one piece together.
Especially because it's a 4-year class, you grow with the people so much and you learn to love to play with them.
So even if you aren't a great musician, even if you've never played an instrument before, our arms are open to you.
Drama 1 is the best stepping stone, the best intro. Our production quality for all of our shows is truly, it's top notch. All these different sets, we use the stage, we use the floor. Every single person that is a part of our department puts their own thing into us, and that makes us so special.
Musical theater is a class that we have 5th period. It's a class that you audition to get into. We have a professional choreographer come and teach us how to dance.
It's just so much fun to work on such a special project with people you love.
Video production really helps kids get their ideas out onto the screen.
We do a lot of black and white films, silent films, and experimental. You can screenwrite, you can be a director, and there's multiple things you can do in background.
Getting into video production, Mr. Belcar is able to kind of take the image that I have in my head and tweak it to the point where it can look good on screen.
Media design class is a brand new course that's going to be offered in the fall. And what it's doing is it's taking all of the courses that are offered here at PV High School on a digital level, and it's combining all of them.
You get to learn anything you want about media design, whether it be drawing, taking photos, making videos, whatever you want.
Join the class because you will earn practical skills.
Whether you're not into performing on stage or media arts, PV has a variety of hands-on classes such as the point and sculpture.
Sculpture class is kind of like a glorified art class. We do a lot of things with different materials like wood and foam and wire, and then we'll use clay.
Surfboard shaping, so basically we take raw foam to cut out a shape that the students want to use, shape the foam down until it's basically core of a surfboard.
The Point is our student-run journalism program here at PV, and we have 5 sections, and we just write about stuff going on at PV, stuff going on in the world in general.
You'll meet new friends, and especially if you have a passion for writing or anything in general, then I feel like you would really enjoy the class.
The yearbook is just a great book that has all of the memories throughout the school year.
If photography, graphic design, and writing spikes your interest, definitely look into yearbook. It's a great program to be a part of and a great community also.
Science research is a period 7 independent class, so the class is taken outside the school day, and students get to conduct research in any field of science that they like to. Literally, the sky's the limit.
I think it's a really great way to kind of explore ideas and processes that are kind of go beyond what we learn in classes at school. So it gives you an opportunity to kind of work with mentors or work with something that really interests you and you're passionate about and you want to go into in the future.
Pivot is the premier engineering program here at Palos Verdes High School. It's comprised of a few period classes during your school day.
There are 2 parts to Pivot. One part is the courses.
Depending on what team you are, you may be building something that goes in the water, on land, or on air.
Then the second part of Pivot is on Sundays, and that's where all the competition teams meet.
Teams really only have maybe 1 or 2 competitions to look forward to in a year.
We win world competitions, national competitions. We travel around and compete.
Last year, we were able to win first place at World Championships, and now this year, we're going to continue, and it's just been a great experience for me.
Whether you're into visual arts or performing or trying something new, PV has the place for you. And for Live from 205, I'm Miles Jacob.